Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Go into Permission Manager and select one of the options, for example Location. Over here, pick an app, like for example Google, click on it, and select one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. Now when I go with allow all the time and go back, I can see that Google gained access to my device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!